Amazon Web Services, or AWS, has introduced the AWS Generative AI Innovation Center, a program aimed at assisting customers in developing and deploying generative artificial intelligence solutions. With a $100 million investment, AWS will continue its AI and machine learning experts with customers worldwide to design and launch generative AI products and services. So, Philip, start us off. What do you think about this?
I got mixed emotions about this. Generative AI, although fascinating what we're able to do and what it can do, begs the question, I guess, a little bit of, are you an artist by telling a machine how to make something? Compared to, I mean, all the things that generative AI creates from an imagery perspective, and still images are amazing. There's still some work to be done. But are you an artist? Is it going to displace artists? Is it going to displace, people who are learning art in the field because I just go to a prompt and, I put in the right words, and people are spending more time learning how to write the prompt correctly than actually utilizing the learning the tech underneath. So maybe it's because I'm old, I'm a little bit of a Luddite. I think it's interesting to see a large organization like this engage directly with the general business population for, hey, what things could we build? So from that perspective, it's interesting. I guess I'll won't pass judgment till I see what actually is built. I mean, Mary, what are your thoughts on this whole generative AI?
Well, I am a big fan of AWS because I went through one of their certifications programs. So just looking at it from an engineering point of view, they have been extremely supportive and extremely helpful, because how else do you start learning all of this new technology that our industry never used? That being said, I was thinking, well, what could this help with as far as audio people go? An audio processor that is just run on AI, but that takes the magic out of it. So I can see it being an assistant, but there's beauty in flaws, and that's what we humans are. We are full of flaws, but that flaw in the voice or some adjustment in an audio processor, that brings beauty to it. So I like using it as a backup or a little bit of a helper. I'm not a fan of having it just take over.